The power of sound, a new era of marketing. Marketing is about reaching people. It's about connecting with them. Audio advertising offers a refreshing alternative. It's a way to reach your audience in a way that feels more personal and less intrusive. Our ears are always open, even when our eyes are not. This constant consumption of audio content creates a powerful opportunity for brands. This makes audio ads a game changer for marketers. A deeper connection, how audio ads engage. Audio ads aren't just about selling products, they're about telling stories. They're about creating emotional connections. When you hear a well-crafted audio ad, you're not just listening to words. You're experiencing a narrative. You're connecting with the brand on a deeper level. Think about the last time you were captivated by a story. Chances are you were emotionally invested. The same principle applies to audio advertising. When done right, audio ads can evoke powerful emotions in listeners. They can make you laugh, think, or even feel inspired. This emotional engagement is key to driving results. This deeper engagement stems from the unique way our brains process audio information. When we hear something, it bypasses the logical part of our brain and goes straight to the emotional center. This makes audio a powerful tool for building brand awareness and driving conversions. It's about creating a feeling, an association that sticks with the listener long after the ad is over.
The effectiveness of audio ads isn't just a theory, it's backed by data. Studies show that audio ads outperform display ads. Listeners are more likely to remember an audio ad. They're also more likely to take action. A Nielsen study found audio ads delivered a 10% higher lift in ad recall. Additionally, audio ads generated a 24% higher lift in purchase intent.
Cost-effective marketing reaching more for less. In today's competitive market, marketers need to be smart about their spending.
Audio advertising offers a cost-effective solution. Compared to other forms of advertising such as television or print, audio ads are significantly more affordable. This makes them an attractive option for businesses of all sizes. But don't mistake affordability for lack of impact. Despite the lower cost, audio ads can deliver a high return on investment. This is because they allow you to target your audience precisely, minimizing wasted ad spend. You're not paying to reach people who aren't interested in your product or service. This affordability is particularly beneficial for small businesses and startups with limited marketing budgets. Audio advertising levels the playing field, allowing them to compete with larger companies on a more even footing. It's about maximizing impact without breaking the bank, making it a smart investment for businesses looking to grow.
Spotify and beyond. The rise of personalized audio advertising. The rise of streaming platforms like Spotify has been a game changer for audio advertising.
These platforms have millions of active users, all listening to content they love. This presents a huge opportunity for brands to reach their target audience in a highly engaged environment. What makes Spotify and other platforms so effective is their ability to deliver personalized ads. Using data on listening habits, these platforms can serve ads that are relevant to the individual listener.
This level of personalization leads to higher engagement and better results. Imagine listening to your favorite playlist and hearing an ad for a product you've been wanting to buy. That's the power of personalized audio advertising.
It's about delivering the right message to the right person at the right time. This precision targeting is what sets audio advertising apart from other forms of advertising.
A win-win for affiliates, high impact, low cost. Audio advertising isn't just for big brands.
It's also an incredibly effective tool for affiliates. Affiliates are always looking for new and innovative ways to drive traffic and generate sales. Audio ads offer a unique opportunity to do just that. One of the biggest challenges for affiliates is standing out from the crowd. With so many affiliates promoting the same products, it can be difficult to differentiate yourself.
Audio ads offer a solution. They allow you to connect with your audience on a personal level and build relationships that lead to conversions.
For affiliates, the cost-effectiveness of audio advertising is a major advantage. They can reach a large audience and drive significant results without breaking the bank. This makes audio advertising a viable option for affiliates of all sizes, from those just starting out to those with established audiences.
The future of performance marketing. The marketing landscape is constantly evolving. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to embrace new technologies and strategies.
Audio advertising is not a fad. It's the future of performance marketing. As more and more people consume audio content, the opportunity for brands and affiliates will only continue to grow. Those who invest in audio advertising now will be well-positioned to reap the rewards in the years to come.
It's about staying ahead of the curve, embracing innovation, and connecting with your audience in meaningful ways.
The future of marketing is about creating experiences that resonate with consumers. It's about cutting through the noise and delivering messages that matter. Audio advertising, with its ability to engage listeners on an emotional level, is uniquely positioned to thrive in this new era of marketing.
It's time to turn up the volume and make your brand heard.